Hello everyone, Satnam. My name is Nori, and in today's video, I will be showing you a very powerful grounding meditation that you can do to bring yourself into a meditative, calm state of mind. Are you ready? Let's begin. So this meditation is called 1 minute breath. And here we're working on having one breath per minute, hence the name 1 minute breath. And we do this by inhaling for about 20 seconds, suspending the breath, holding the breath for another 20 seconds, and then exhaling out for another 20 seconds. Now, this is a more challenging meditation. So first, begin with 10 seconds. Try holding your breath for 10, maybe 8, and then add 1 or 2 seconds at a time to build yourself up to that 20-second mark. Now, as you add on time or shorten time, all you have to do is make sure that it's even through each section, meaning if you inhale for 12 seconds, that means you have to hold the breath for 12 and exhale the breath out for another count of 12. So this meditation works on regrounding ourselves into our bodies by a simple method, taking away something that is essential to our survival, which is our breath. If you watched my last video about yogic techniques to overcome fear and anxiety, I talked a little bit about how I would stop a panic attack and regain control over my breath. This meditation works in a similar manner by forcing us to suspend our breath, to hold our breath a little bit longer than we are used to. This can be explained with Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. And here in this diagram, you can see that physiological needs are at the very bottom of the triangle, where something like self-actualization, which is our discovery of our self, our purpose, our spirituality, which is at the very top. Essentially, this theory states that our needs are in a hierarchy. So when our physiological needs are not met, our focus and our motivation will be mostly focused here rather than love and relationships, for example. And then as we have our needs met, then we are able to have our focus on other parts of the hierarchy. So essentially, as we are holding our breath, we are suspending this integral part of our survival, which works by grounding us back down into our bodies, back to its most basic state. And after doing this meditation, it is meant to bring you into a meditative state of mind, a mind that is calm and focused. So perhaps if you were frantic before, you are able to come back into a neutral state so that you're able to make better decisions which are more focused and less emotionally charged. I do recommend practicing this either first thing in the morning in order for you to prime yourself for the day. You can set your intentions and then move into your day with a meditative mind, or you can do this right before bed so that you are calm, relaxed, and collected, ready to sleep. So let's try this together now. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Your legs can be crossed on the floor or legs extended out in front. I do recommend bringing a folded up blanket or a meditation cushion underneath you to help you sit with a tall, straight spine. And then from here, placing your palms together at the center of your chest. As always, we begin our practice by tuning in with the Adi mantra. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. This means I bow to the teacher within. I call upon my highest consciousness. I am awake, alert, present, and focused. We are tuning ourselves to come into this vibration of higher knowing, connecting to the golden lineage of all the teachers of today and that have come before us. Take a deep inhale breath. Hold and exhale. Take a deep inhale and exhale. And we'll inhale to tune in. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Last one. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Keep your hands in place. Take a deep inhale breath and set your intentions for today's practice. Softly exhale. And then lower your hands on top of your knees. Bring your palms face up and bring your index finger and thumb to touch for Gyan Mudra, the mudra for wisdom. Sit with a tall, straight spine. Crown of the head reaches upwards towards the sky. And relax your shoulders down the back, away from the ears. We'll begin now. Exhale all the breath out of the lungs. And begin to slowly inhale to a count of 8 or 10. And for the same amount of time, hold the breath. And then exhale, counting out. In your mind, or you can place the timer out in front. Inhaling, holding the breath, and exhaling. Slowly and gradually inhale. And know under any circumstance that you feel dizzy, come back to your regular breath. Part of the Yoga Sutras is to do no harm, and that includes to yourself. So know your body, know your mind, and remember, you can work your way up. Maybe next time you practice this, you're able to hold and breathe for a count of 12. And then you can add a few more seconds, working your way up to an inhale of 20. suspending the breath for 20, and exhaling for a count of 20. You're almost there. Just a few more seconds. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. Soften your face and your jaw. Make this your final round. And when you are done, come back to your regular breath. Take a moment here to breathe normally, allowing yourself to come back into a neutral state. Circulate this calming energy that you've just created. Pressing your palms together at the center of your chest, we close our practice with a long Sat, short Nam. Take a deep inhale breath. Sat Nam. Sat Nam means truth is my name. Bring your thumbs to the third eye, and then bring your palms and your forehead all the way down to the ground, sealing off the energy of today's practice. This meditation is called 1 minute breath, and you can turn to this meditation if you're feeling ungrounded, perhaps you are frantic, feeling anxious, and it's a way for you to come back into your body. And just a warning, remember not to push and to return to your regular breath if you begin to feel dizzy. I do recommend watching my previous video about overcoming fear and anxiety using yogic tips, which has to do with regrounding and healing the root chakra. I'll link that down below in the description box. And until then, I will see you all next time.